Hi class, this is course 2, lesson 74, fractional part of a number. Here is where, again, we will need to write equations. And you translate just what you see. What fraction? This is where I'm going to use the variable f because that'll help me remember that I need a fraction. Of means multiply. The number will stay the number. Is always equal to, and 42 will stay 42. So it's what fraction times 56 equals 42. And so now I have an equation. F times 56, whoops, sorry, equals 42. And I start solving. So I'm going to use the inverse operation. I need to isolate the variable f. So I will divide both sides by 56. I'm having trouble writing 56 today. Okay, that gets that variable isolated here. F equals. Now, here's where you might be tempted to divide this. But remember, we need a fraction. And so all we have to do is reduce this. I know that 7 goes into both of those numbers, so I have 6 out of 8, and I can divide that again, so I'm going to get 3/4. So 14 went into both of those numbers. So the fraction, what fraction of 56 is 42? It's 3/4. 3/4 of what number is 60? So again, we're going to translate what we read. 3/4 of what number? This is just a number, so I'm going to use n, is 60. So it's 3/4 n equals 60. So here again, we need to isolate the variable, and remember from the investigation, if you have a coefficient that is a fraction, just multiply both sides by its inverse, by the reciprocal. So this will end up being just n equals, and then we're going to simplify over here. 60 divided by 3 would be 20, so 20 times 4 is 80. So 3/4 of 80 is 60. So can you check that? Absolutely you can. Is 3/4 of 80 60? Well, let's check. It is. So that is how you work lesson 74. Translate into an equation and then solve. It'll help make your life easier. With that, I will see you in class.